Let's quickly take this across to our guest joining us at the moment. Keya Ghosh is BJP spokesperson. Varun Singh, political analyst, is with us. We have Anish Gawande, who's the NCP Sharad Pawar national spokesperson. We also have Chandrasekhar Jha, Shiv Sena UBT leader. Chandrasekhar Jha, is this a responsible statement to be making? This is one of your alliance partners, coming out and making this kind of a controversial statement that the action taken by people was not enough, that perhaps they should have used more violence. This is a very shocking statement coming in, Mr. Jha.
See, the protest was not violent. If you see, they were sitting very properly in a peaceful manner, but suddenly the government has also done lathi charge upon them, and the peaceful protest become violent. And it is the public outrage which has come on streets, and it is not against any kind of grudges. It is the grudges which has come out against the government. The government has not taken any proper action, and the delay in causing the FIR, registering the FIR, all the acts which have been done by the state, the prosecution, the state government which is ruling government right now, these grudges has come out against them, and it is not a political arena to fight all of this. And if you see today that the government itself is blaming these public protests as a political agenda, which is not true. So in any manner, when there is a law and order situation in state of Maharashtra, they blame the opposition or they blame the political community that they are doing this. This is completely wrong. And in this situation, it is very needy situation, and we required to provide justice to the victim.
Well, Mr. Jha, there were incidents of stone pelting that took place yesterday. Let us not deny that. And certainly, while nobody is denying the fact that public and people in this country are completely outraged, whether that is acceptable as a form of protest is something that we certainly need to question. Nobody is giving a clean sheet to the government. Certainly not times now. But this is a question also that deserves to be asked. Keya Ghosh, the larger question is this. Why is the state government calling this a political protest when clearly the police has failed the parents and this young victim? 12 hours to file a POCSO case? Where in the country does that happen?
Firstly, let me tell you, the UBT chief spokesperson, Mr. Jha, was giving lecture about whether it is not a political protest or it is. We have clearly heard in your visuals which you showed that some lady is saying कि इसको आग लगा देना चाहिए. So, and clearly she represents the political party, and obviously it is needless to mention which political party these people represent. Basically, this huge mob, it wouldn't have been assembled in this small period of time. The Maharashtra government has in no way defended the guilty. It has taken action against the school who tried to hide the crime, this horrific act, and the police, whosoever was found responsible for delaying the FIR has been suspended. So the steps from the government, they have taken the proper steps. We have also heard from Priyank Kanungo sir, the NCPCR chief. Now compare it with, as you know, I hail from Bengal. Compare it with the situations which has been happening in Bengal.
One second.
Bengal, all the voices of opposition
One second. Keya Ghosh, no, we are not discussing Bengal at the moment. Please, madam, please, let's just hold our thoughts for just a moment. I'm going to read out for you, Keya Ghosh, what Milind Deora, member of the Rajya Sabha, has put out on social media X. He says, I'm outraged by reports suggesting that yesterday's rail roko protest and stone pelting at Badlapur were orchestrated by an opposition party, shamelessly endangering the lives of innocent commuters for cheap political gains. If true, that's utterly disgraceful. The point being made over here is that why is there a repeated attempt at linking this to political parties? Why not take responsibility for the action? Just as you are talking about West Bengal and holding the state government responsible there, do the yardsticks change in another state?
That's what I was about to tell you. This is a tale of two states, different tales. In one state, you see the government is giving protection to the guilty, those who are guilty, those who are under the lens. In Maharashtra, you see the different state, a different story altogether. Nobody is shielding the guilty. The guilty, whoever it is, And I repeat, whoever it is, whatsoever connection he or that person has to be given under the